Welcome to the statement of financial position for non-for-profit entities. This is going to pretty much just be the balance sheet, right? For our non-for-profit entities. I'm excited. This is not too mind-numbing. So anything that's not too mind-numbing in this exam is something you should look forward to. It's going to be a lot of free points in the exam here and just some memorization, nothing crazy. You're not going to be digging through disgusting bonds or worrying about classifying leases. We're just going to run through questions. And does one item belong as a restricted asset? Does another item belong as unrestricted? We'll see all of that and more. And let's dive into what we have for our learning objectives. Well, today we want to recall the purpose and objectives of the statement of financial position for a non governmental, non for profit entity. And we specify that because just like you've got hospitals and universities that are both private, not for profit, and public government, we want to make sure we are answering the question with the correct rules. They'll be pretty clear as to if we're dealing with not for profit or with government. Keep in mind on our statement of financial position, our balance sheet, we're dealing with net assets. That's assets minus liabilities equals net assets or equity. However, there's no equity because there are no owners of a not for profit or a governmental entity. We're also here going to prepare a statement of financial position for the non governmental not for profit entity from a trial balance and supporting documentation. We're going to dig into the nitty gritty details of the transactions and see which gets included in our overall financial statement and where it does. Lastly, we are going to adjust the statement of financial position for a non-governmental, not-for-profit entity and correct identified errors. Big classification game, right? Where do the numbers go? Let's make sure we properly classify them. Let's get to it.